Hi there, I'm Rebecca Sides from Inchcape Mercedes. Firstly, a huge thank you to you for choosing us as the provider of your new vehicle. I really hope that you love your new car. So the reason for this video is because I'd like to introduce you to an amazing product which will follow this short message, which is that of GardX. This is an amazing safety and application system which we can apply to the interior and exterior of your car to protect it for you for the duration of the time that you own the vehicle. So be sure to watch the video which will follow this short message, which will give you all of the information about this fantastic, amazing product. Now there's also a couple of options, and that is to pay in a lump sum, or you can even take the interest-free 4-month option. All you need to do if you want to have this product applied is just click the link below, and we can easily do that for you here at the dealership. So I hope that you enjoy your new car, and thank you very much for watching.